How to fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak connection can sometimes prevent media from downloading properly. So you need to check if you are using latest version or not. For that, you need to head towards Play Store or App Store, search Telegram. If you see any update button, select update and update it to the newer version available. Also, you need to make sure to clear the Telegram cache. If this doesn't work, long press on Telegram app icon and choose I icon. Afterwards, choose the storage uses from the app info section and tap clear cache. This will clear all temporary data stored by Telegram which could be causing the issues. Also, in the same app info screen, you need to scroll down and now choose data uses. And you have to turn off data restrictions temporarily, then turn them back on. Once you have done that, restart the app. And after that, you need to try downloading the media files and check whether the issue fixed or not. If not, you can easily check your file manager to ensure Telegram is saving the media in the right place. So simply open Files Manager on your device and you have to type Telegram in the search bar. And here you'll be able to find all your downloaded media files. So if you can see your files in the file managers but aren't appearing in the Telegram app, it's usually a permission issues on your phone. So you need to make sure you have enabled all the app permissions. By following this step, you can fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.